Here, to find f dash 0, direct differentiation is so lengthy. Let us use basic definition. Limit extends to 0, fx minus f0 by x minus 0. Limit extends to 0, f of x, this tan x, root of tan inverse 2x square minus 3x plus 1 whole divided by 7x square minus 3x plus 1 whole cube by x. Generally, while evaluating limit, where 0 is not there, then we can directly substitute. Here you don't get 0 problem. Here also you don't get any, after substituting 1 you get, here also you don't get any problem. Only problem is tan x by x. This is the standard format. Here it is 2 power 0, 1 plus 1, root of tan inverse 1 after substituting 0, 1 cube. So it is root of pi by 2 power x minus x square. It is not 2x, 2 power x. The number of points of intersection of such that fx with x-axis. X-axis y0. Y is nothing but f of x. So 2 power x here is x square. So now, what are the point of intersection of these two curves where they intersect? Y equal to x square graph is like this. And 2 power x graph, and x is minus infinity. Two power x, 2 power minus infinity approaches 0. X is plus infinity, 2 power infinity. So the graph will be slowly increases like this. Now left side of 0, it started increasing. It has only one point of intersection. Right side of 0, where the curve intersect at one point or more than one point, we have to see. So then how do we get such an idea whether it intersects? This is the beauty of this problem. Right. So it is intersecting. Both are increasing functions. But after certain stage, it's obviously 2 power x dominates. See, for example, x has 1. What happened? X has 1, 2 power x x square. 2 power x dominating. X has 2, here it is 4, 4 equal. X has 3, 2 cube, 9. So till now, if you observe here, x square is dominating. If you take 5, it is 32 and it is 25. So there is a rapid growth in 2 power x after certain stage. So no more further intersections are possible. One point of intersection is here, other point here, other point here. Other way, how do we know? This is simple observation. It is a simple one. At x equal to 2, 4 equal to 4. It's and very nearer to it also it is taking turn. So x equal to 4 you take 2 power 4 is 4 square. So there are two positive points of intersections. So totally f of x intersect x-axis at the 3 points. Now to know about f dash x, f dash x derivative will be 2 power x log 2 minus 2x. That is 2x, right? X square derivative. Here also, after certain stage, still certain stage, like put x 0 with x-axis means this is the function. With x-axis means that must be 0. Finally, we have to find intersection points of these two curves. So after, if you take, for example, x at 6, 2 power 6, 32 log 2 is roughly 0.3. One third is 10. Here 2 into 6, 12. 2 power 6 is 64, right? 64 into 80. After certain stage, 2 power x dominates. So 2 power x strictly greater than 2x. But here, of 0 you take, left hand side is log 2, right hand side is 0. The difference will be positive. F of 1 you take, log 2 minus 2, difference is negative. That means, so line dominates here. This is the line y equal to 2x. Right? Y dominates the line dominates the curve. A line like this till certain region. Like this, one more point, f of 2 and f of 3, you find out one positive, one negative you get. So 2 point of intersections you get. So that means total points 2 plus 3, there are 5 point of intersections. Here, this one, 1 plus y square into 1 plus log x to the base e, this. 1 plus log x to the base e by x is minus dy by 1 plus y square. Integrating both sides, integral 1 by x dx plus log x to the base e by x dx, it is minus tan inverse y plus c. So here integral 1 by x is log x. You take this as t, log x to the base c, 1 by x dx will be dt. So this is t, dx by x is dt. So log x plus t square by 2 is minus tan inverse y plus t. Here t, sorry, it is what I wrote, log x plus, right. So this is log x to the base e, log x to the base e whole square by 2 is minus tan inverse y plus c. He told it passes through 1 comma 1. That means in place of x you substitute 1. minus tan inverse y plus c will be tan inverse 1, which is pi by 4. Then curve equation will be here log x to the base c plus log x to the base c whole square by 2 is minus tan inverse y plus pi by. He is asking one more value he given. X as e log e to the base c is 1 minus tan inverse e plus pi by. So tan inverse e will be pi by 4. Sorry, here tan inverse y, right? Y means mm, that is f of, let me write y only. Later I will replace with the okay. Minus tan inverse y is nothing but f of x, f of e plus pi by 4. So tan inverse f of e will be pi by 4 minus 3 by 2. F of e is tan of pi by 4 minus 3 by 2. 1 minus tan 3 by 2 here. Alpha is 1, beta also 1. He is asking alpha plus 2 beta, that is you get 3. In this problem, A1, A4, A5 is greatest. Let us take numbers as now sixth term, we given it as 2, and first, fourth, and fifth. First one, fourth, and fifth product is greatest. Maximization or minimization, this function we should make it as a function of single variable. So, which is first of all, A here is 2 minus 3d plus d. 2 minus 3d whole square minus 4d. 2 times 1 minus d, 4 plus so for maxima and minima, f dash d is 0. 10d minus 12 just a simple multiplication, which is 2 times 10d plus 12d, 22d minus 12 minus 5d square minus 12d minus 25d square, 44 plus 12 minus 24 That is 25d square minus 36d plus 28 is 0. Here it is minus 15d square plus 22 plus 12, 34d minus 12 minus 4 minus 16, 0. 15d square minus 34d plus 16, 0. 15, 16, 24, 10. 15d square minus 24d minus 10d plus 16, 0. 3d if you take common, from here you get d value 2 by 3 or 8 by 5. So where it attains maximum, f dash d is in fact for us f double dash is this, f double dash 8 by 5 minus 14 negative. So f attains maximum at d is 8 by 5. This is one integral and second integral. So I1 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x square cos x by, I'm using the formula f of x dx is f of a plus b minus x dx. Here a is minus pi by 2, b is minus pi by 2. Adding this means same I1 minus x whole square cos minus x by 1 plus a power minus x dx. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It is after taking LCM and simplification. 2I1 will be, so x square cos x 1 plus e power x by, so here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x square cos x dx, which is even function. I can write 2 times 0 to pi by 2, which is 2 times integral cos x, so sin x 2x 0 to pi by 2 dx. Your upper limit, lower limit 0, to pi by 2 x sin x dx. So which is pi square by 2 minus 4 into minus cos x between 0 to pi by 2 derivative of x 0 to upper limit cos 90 0, lower limit 0, integral cos x, which is pi square by 4 minus 4. In a similar way, second integral straight away I am writing same property, you use it to get this remaining get cancelled out. So it is 2 times 0 to pi by 2 dx 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. X here it is pi by 2 plus half into pi plus uh, it is pi by 2. Second integral pi plus. This is in fact it is 2i2. So I2 will be pi by 2 plus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. Total integral value pi square by 4 minus 4 plus 3 pi by 4. So this is the answer for this. Here, it's a linear differential equation type. So here P of x is minus sine 2x by integral P of x dx 1 plus cos square x dx. Assume it as t 2 cos x again minus sin x dx is dt. So dt by t, which is log t, log of 1 plus cos. For linear differential equation, solution is so e power here itself e power integral p dx e power log of 1 plus cos square x, which is so now the solution will be y into 1 plus cos square x. Q here is sin x by 1 plus cos square x into 1 plus cos square x dx. Y into 1 plus cos square x is minus cos x plus. Again, y of 0, x is 0, 1 plus cos 0, 2. Y of 0 is 0. So C value becomes 1. Y of pi by 2 means cos 90 is 0. Here cos 90 is 0. That C value is already known. So y of pi by 2 is 1. Here it is. A OAB is a triangle. He given A coordinates, B coordinates also he given. OD is a angular bisector. So what we know is angular bisector divides opposite side in the ratio of remaining two sides. Here O is, it is 4 plus 4 plus 1. OB is 4 plus 16 plus 16. 3 is to 6, 1 is to 2. Then by section formula, so 2 plus 2 into 2 by 1 into 4, 2 into 4 by 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2. This point 6 by 3, 8 by 3, 5 by 3. Then he is asking distance OD, length of internal angular bisector. 4, so 2 square 64 by 9 plus 25 by, so here it is 89 by 9, 36 plus 89, 124 by 4. Here totally how many data values are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 are there. It has a mean 58 variance. Variance is calculated by formula mean whole square. Sigma xi square means 44 square, 58 square, 68 square, alpha square plus 56 square by 8 minus mu square is 66.2. Here it is 7,200. 44 square, you can directly you can calculate. So 1936. Here 58, 158 get cancels out. I will write 68 square plus alpha square plus beta square minus 7 times because 158 already get cancelled out. So 8 to 6, 16, 48 plus 1, 49, 48 plus 4, 529.6. Here it is alpha square plus beta square, which we have to find out. 68 square four six two four plus 56 square thirty-one 36 minus 7 into 58 square three three six four Here, after simplification, alpha square plus beta square is we get around. So that simplification is left to you. Here, he given circle, ellipse, and then some pair of lines. So the circle, and then we have y square is root 3x whole square. So one line, all curves must intersect. Those points, quadrilateral is formed. He is asking that quadrilateral area. So this line will intersect circle. Once you put y square as 3x square, so x square is b, 7 equation. The same line also lies on ellipse. Yes. And x square, we know that b. It is b square plus 48 by 16b is equal to 1. So b is 12 or 4. If b is 4, what happens? Both will be same. They are not different circles. So ellipse also becomes circle. So let us take b as 12. Then in such case, x here is, once x is this, y is root 3x. So once you find this area, xy, 6 into 2 root 3, total area of a quadrilateral is 12 root 3 into 4, 48. This one is cosecant x plus sin x integral 1 by sin x, and it is sin cube x by cos x dx. 1 plus sin square x by sin x, 1 plus sin power 4x by sin x cos x dx, which is 1 plus sin square x into cos x by 1 plus sin power 4x dx. Take sin x as t, cos x dx will be dt, which is 1 plus t square dt by 1 plus t power 4. So dividing with t square, we get 1 plus 1 by t square. T square plus 1 by t square, t minus 1 by t, which implies 1 by 1 plus t square dt is dm. So dm by m square plus 2. So it is of the form x square plus a square 1 by a tan inverse x by a. M here is t minus 1 by t. T is sin x minus 1 by sin x by 2 plus 3. So here f of x will be 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse sin square x minus 1 by sin x by root 2 plus. We given f of pi by 2 as 1, substituting sin 91, c becomes 1. So f of pi by 4 will be tan inverse sin square 45 half minus 1 minus half sin 45 1 by root 2. Again another root 2 is there plus 1. This get cancelled. Tan inverse 1 minus 1 will be minus pi by 4 plus 1. So f of pi by 4 is 1 minus pi by 4. Here it is sin x by root 2. Right here it is root 2 sin x. So root 2 sin 45 1 by root 2. Again here sin square 45 minus half. So we get here 1 by root 2 tan inverse minus half plus 1. So this one is simple. It is like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So in fact, a plus b whole square, we have to write it as, okay, that anyhow simplification, they get cancelled out. So this is 2 get cancelled. A into A transpose whole square. A into A transpose. A into A transpose is I into A transpose. A cube plus A transpose.